If you have used AI to write your assignments in the last 6 or 7 days, you need to listen very closely. Your teachers are on the verge of finding out because Turnitin just released one of its biggest updates ever. This new system is smart. It spots AI text, but it also spots text that you tried to humanize or edit. Basically, almost every tool you rely on just got patched out. But there is one that is still working. It's called StealthGPT, and it was built specifically to get past these new detectors. This isn't just another ChatGPT wrapper. It is an efficiency tool designed to protect your grades. So we're going to walk through exactly how good it is and if it's worth your time. Let's start by looking at what happens when you first log in. The interface here is incredibly clean and straightforward. See, you don't need a manual to figure this out because everything is laid out right in front of you. On the left-hand side, you have your main navigation bar, which is your gateway to everything we are going to talk about today. It feels very modern, not cluttered like some of those other academic tools that look like they were built 10 years ago. You can switch between tools with a single click, and the dark mode option is really easy on the eyes for those late-night study sessions. It feels reliable and professional from the moment you land on the dashboard, which is exactly what you want when you're stressed about an assignment. Now let's sit down and really look at the heart of this platform, which is the AI Humanizer. You know how regular AI writing feels cold, almost like it has no spirit behind it? It uses the same words over and over, and that's exactly what the detectors are looking for. The Humanizer here changes that rhythm entirely. It takes that flat, robotic text you might get from ChatGPT and breathes life into it, so it flows like a real person is speaking. What is really powerful here is that you can tune the engine to face specific threats. There are optimization options where you can get past GPT-0 or Turnitin, and it adjusts its strategy accordingly. And for those times when you cannot afford to take any risks, you can enable extreme stealth. This is the highest setting available. It does a deep overhaul of the text, changing sentence structures and vocabulary usage to ensure the highest quality of humanization possible. It's beneficial for students because it protects their reputation, but it's just as valuable for professionals. It ensures your emails and reports sound authentic and engaging, removing that artificial distance that comes with AI writing. Moving on from fixing old text, sometimes you need to start a journey from a blank page, and that's where the Stealth Writer comes in. With the Humanizer, you're bringing in text from the outside, but with Stealth Writer, you're creating it right here, and it comes out born human. You don't have to go through the tired process of generating a draft elsewhere and then fixing it. You just give your prompt directly to the Stealth Writer. You tell it what you need, whether it's an essay on the history of the Great Plains or a professional cover letter for a new job, and it begins to write. We want to demonstrate how this feels. If you ask it to write about a complex philosophy topic, it doesn't just list facts. It weaves the ideas together with natural variants, using the kind of sentence structures that a thoughtful student would use. It handles the nuance perfectly. For a professional, this is an incredible tool for efficiency. You can generate blog introductions, memos, or creative pieces that are ready to use the moment they appear on the screen. It's designed to help you create content that is not only undetectable, but also high quality, which saves you the time of editing and re-editing. It allows you to focus on the ideas while the AI handles the heavy lifting of the writing itself. Now let's look at a path designed specifically for those who work with the web. The SEO Writer is distinct from the Stealth Writer because its purpose is not just to sound human, but to be found by others on search engines like Google. When you enter this tool, you are given a choice between basic and advanced paths. If you want true control, you choose advanced. Here, you can dictate exactly how long your journey needs to be by selecting small, medium, or long blog lengths. A standout feature here that really really helps the flow of your work is the image option. You can toggle this on, and the AI will not just write the words, it will find or generate relevant images to place within your blog, creating a complete visual story without you having to hunt for pictures. Once you give it your main idea or keyword, the AI gets to work. Within seconds, it generates a fully structured, humanized blog post that is optimized with the right keywords to help you rank. When the work is done, you don't have to struggle with copying and pasting messy text. You can download the entire blog post as a Markdown file, or even as an HTML file, which is ready to be uploaded directly to your website. And just to be absolutely sure that your content is safe, you can take that newly created blog and run it through the AI checker we talked about earlier. It streamlines the entire process, taking you from a simple idea to a published, undetectable article in minutes. Okay, so you got the write-up from StealthWriter, but how do you know for sure that it's safe? That's why they included the AI checker right inside the platform. You simply copy that text and paste it directly into the AI checker. When you run the analysis, it doesn't just give you a yes or no. It gives you a specific breakdown with numbers that shows you the probability of it being flagged as AI. We've seen it accurately predict what Turnitin would say, which gives you that peace of mind before you submit your work. It's all about avoiding detection, and having this verification step built in means you don't have to pay for a separate subscription elsewhere. Speaking of effortless, let's talk about research. We all know the pain of having to read through a 50-page academic journal just to find one specific answer. The Chat with PDF feature solves this completely. You upload your PDF document, maybe it's a lecture note, a research paper, or a business report, and you just talk to it. For a student, imagine uploading a complex biology chapter and asking, what are the 3 main takeaways here about cell division? The AI analyzes the document and gives you the answer based strictly on that text. It's incredibly accurate because it's looking at the source material you provided. For professionals, you can upload a contract or a financial report and ask for a summary of specific clauses. It turns a static document into an interactive conversation, which drastically speeds up how you study or work. So where does that leave us? If you're looking for a way to navigate this new era of strict AI detection and escape Turnitin, StealthGPT is currently the most trusted and reliable option on the market. It's not just about hiding, it's about working smarter with the study simulator and writing better with the Humanizer. If you value your grades and your peace of mind, you need to try this out. Go to the link in the description and get started with StealthGPT today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.